Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 23-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Also located in the boot, you are able to find your deployable tow bar controls, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving through the rear seats, you can find the light cloud and ebony upholstery. The rear seats do have Isofix fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 17,948 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. This car also features head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use either Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You of course also have your 4x4 information, weight sensing and terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Further helping you also have the off-road feature on the 360 view camera to help that little bit more, and of course you also have your 3D view, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Perhaps if you need a little bit more assistance, whether that is parking or leaving a space, you also have the Park Assist to help you do this. The front seats in this vehicle are in fact massage seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those longer journeys, ensuring that you always stay comfortable no matter what, with multiple different massage options and strengths. As well as this, the front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And you also have a dual zone climate control. As well as this, the vehicle features a clear sight interior rear view mirror, so perhaps if you're carrying taller passengers, you are still able to see everything behind you with an unobstructed view. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.